ngoba kuthiwa ngiyimbulu ngiyayitshela ngi-different 1 2 lezo zinto zakini nokuphuwa lokuvele babenza labaphuwa nizofuna ukubulala mina ukuze ngithole yonke lento when I was supposed to die, but at the end of the day these guys now they come and say wena ngokubulala lo bona befuna umntwana ufe bathathe yonke lento bamdlala ingqondo la sale tenda kule nto i-empty.
Khuluma gogo, khuluma.
Do you know what the sister to this one phoned me? She called me.
You told me, gogo.
Her calling the other sister, the younger one, her calling was kind of fancy. I even told her, if you want to call me, call those two guys. They'll be your intermediary to you. Do you know what I was running away from? I've got 3 wives. I'm short in Namutans. I didn't want in a systematical or a silly or a stupid fashion to add the fourth. The fourth one who has got a mission. The mission was oyenza kuwe wena. Ungumntwana wangakini le. Mina umntwana umuntu omdala ungadlalela. Noma udakiwe, noma uhlanya, noma ungenwe yini, please go fuck your grandmama. Ungadlalela la mina, you'll be doomed. You'll be doomed in life as you are walking and doomed in death. I take on families, I take on wishes. Even Jesus, if you come here and tell me nonsense, you'll tell me not. Ungazodlala la mina, ngizothatha ukanda pana kushaya ikanda. La emhlabeni ngikheri ikanda.
Sayibona